Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3, testing, testing, you and me. There we go. Sorry, Blaine. Thank you. Yeah, saying the whole market's really been a lot choppier lately than it has been in the past. But I mean, we're still sitting up at highs, so I don't think there's much you can really say about that. But Apple had just a crazy reversal yesterday. Apple looked really bad at the open, like it was gonna essentially double top because it came up right to the 150 level, which is right there, sold off, and then just boom, rallied straight through pretty much most of the day. You see on the accumulation distribution here, it they were able to get quite a bit of Apple yesterday. So I think that's a good signal generally. I think that's a good one. Tesla looks like it gapped down a little bit. Gap down to the 50 and the 200, which are pretty close to each other right now. It's not bad. It's not bad at all. Not too bad. So yeah, short term, choppy garbage. Mid to long term, hopefully better. Moderna is leading my actionable list. And then Docs, which looks really good. I should have bought Doc. I almost bought Docs yesterday on this little pop up right here. Looks like I should have. Of course, you know, tis what it is. All right, and that's about all she wrote. That's it. Out of the whole stock market, we're going to look at two names. GLBE. After earnings, looks good. It's the first earnings it looks like on GLBE. Yeah, there we go. So first earnings on GLBE and excellent volume this morning could lead to maybe a nice move. You never know. Look at the volume today. It's already about equal with where it's been this whole entire time. Average volume, it's almost at average. That's good for GLBE, really good. AMC maybe trying to bounce back. Right near the cusp of it at the moment, actually. So far, supportive. Can't be too mad at it. Moderna. SE not bad. Light. Regeneron in a good spot. Roku not in a good spot. Roku actually down to 200A. Wow. Okay. Ugh, too much competition. One of Roku's things that I saw was that Google TV was selected over Roku for some companies' TVs. Forget which ones. You bouncing back after a little sharp down move yesterday. I think You's a good one. There's You again. Oh, my freaking right knee didn't quite blow out yesterday, but it may as well have. And then stupid murder cats this morning decided to kill a bird and bring it in the house and shred it all over the dining room. It's like, thanks, cats. We'll just close the door and make them indoor cats. Then I won't have anything to worry about. Wow, Procter and Gamble looks really happy up here at all-time highs. 17% downtrend. Really good. Really stable. I mean, really could have already had its handle too. Could be a double bottom with that as your buy point, which would imply that was your breakout. Technically, though, due to its percentage, I believe it may be too deep for a flat base. If it's a flat base, its buy point is 10 cents above that. If not, then there's your buy point. And earnings was your breakout day. That's your breakout day. Good volume on that day due to earnings. So technically, it's still in a buy range for Procter and Gamble. Didn't quite get up a full 20% last time though. Technically, this would be a base on base pattern. Actually, I wonder if it would have undercut and started a new base. Yeah, it's 2020. So this is probably a base. Let's look at it in that light. That's definitely a flat base. 31% move is good. That's a first stage base. That one rises 17%. This is an awkward, an awkward base on base pattern. It's a super base on base. Oh, I'm tired. All right, Tesla down. All right, Doc's looking great. Docs looks really good. Nasdaq seems to be firm on heading lower. It's down almost 1%. Is it me or are Bollinger Bands extraordinarily tight? Wow. They're like one candle tight almost. Jeez. That is some tight Bollinger Bands. Our bubble's even hindering our ability to see it. The last time we had super tight. It's that's pretty super tight. That was super tight. Look at that. Oh, you know what? Someone's got a Bollinger Band width. It's trading view. Ah, let's check it out. Let's check out the NASDAQ. That's BTC. That's the NASDAQ. There we go. Bollinger Bands width. That's what it is. That is super low. Super duper low. Wow. That is low. Goes all the way back to 2009 right there. Only a handful of times have we been this low. Some's got to give. Well, I could even argue a couple more over here. There's a few more over there. Let's take a look. So Bollinger Band width right there. Then we exploded up. That's before COVID. And then here, continued up. Here, chopped and continued up. Here, chopped and continued up. Here, chopped and continued up. Here, right before a down spike, about 10%. Oh, it's not. It's not attaching itself to the. That's funny. That's interesting. Right before a 8% correction. And then here, choppy. Here, choppy. So historically, doesn't really even mean a move is incoming. A lot of these just chopped around and continued on with the garbage trend. Kind of looks like what it wants to do right now, huh? How's Bitcoin doing? 1%? Our leaders, Luna today, Sol at 11. All right. Cool, cool. So super tight Bollinger Bands. Tesla down 3%. Don't you do it, Tesla. Don't you do it. And Apple chilling. Moderna and Docs. Docs is still, wow, one of the few holding up. They're not selling this name. It's too new. May just be getting their fill on it. Nvidia has earnings today. It doesn't look like it wants to go well, does it? Although you never can tell. That's the one thing about the markets. You never have any idea until it's done, so. But so far, we haven't seen a tremendous amount of blockbuster earnings. So Apple popped down and popped up yesterday. Today it popped up, and we'll see if it pops down. 104 for the NASDAQ. Jeez. Hi, Jamesy. All right, guys. My kid's up. I gotta go. Let's see if he's gonna go to school or not. Hey, what's up, Elliot? Yeah, he just got up. How you feeling, James? Better? Are you congested? Huh? Your tummy? Well, that's at least not your throat. A little, but not nearly as much. You don't sound congested. A little better. Not bad, not bad. All right, yeah, I gotta bounce and give him a treatment and stuff. Ellie, James, Ellie says get better, bud. He said thank you. All right, guys, I'm bouncing. I gotta go. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.